Hello, this is a video tour of 719 Larkin. We're at the exterior of the building. It's located in a very convenient location. There is a latch system to enter the building. Nice long lobby. To the right here are the mailboxes, and packages are left here as well. We're going to take the elevators up to the 5th floor, and we're going to be touring unit number 501. Nice light-filled unit. You walk into this nice big eat-in kitchen, beautifully renovated modern kitchen with stainless appliances. You have a dishwasher, range, and refrigerator. It is open to the living room. This is a very quiet building. This is a view from the living room. Laminate wood floors in the common areas. Carpeting in the bedroom. Nice coat closet. Here is the full bathroom. You can also enter the bathroom from the bedroom. And this is the bedroom. Each of the rooms has lots of natural light. You have a nice big closet here. This is a walk-in closet, and you walk through to the bathroom here. The bathroom has a tub and shower combination. There's your toilet and private stackable laundry machines. This unit also has bike storage down in the basement, storage, and a beautiful rooftop deck. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.